Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. It has been a long time since our last vlog. Life has changed and we are moving on to the next phase of our lives, ika nga. Abroad is more difficult to work with than most people realize. Adapting to their culture, language, etc. is difficult. But I will always be grateful for the chance, even though my position carries a lot of responsibilities. We had to send Shay back home to continue her studies. Therefore, I'm trapped with homesickness. Salamat na lang sa YouTube, marami kaming nagawang video noon. Kaya naman, inulit-ulit ko na lang talaga silang panoorin. I got so nervous with my health condition. I was diagnosed with having a fibrocystic breast disease and gone through with so many tests. And we did it! Finally, we have a place where we can call our home. Hindi namin to pinlano, hindi namin to naisip even before. But they say, if God's will, it will always be done. 13 years of gap, 5 years of waiting, and finally, wish granted. Dumating na talaga ako sa point na naiiyak talaga ako every month. And sometimes, I got really tired of asking him because I feel like ayaw niya naman talagang ibigay sa amin. But if it happened, it was meant to happen. We are soon to be family of four. Our story of life not like K-drama na palaging kilig, iyakan, or palaging tawa. Instead, it has ups and downs. The important is we appreciate everything whether it is good or bad. And we don't forget that everything happens according to His will. Kaya naman, thank you Lord for the down moments that make us strong. And of course, for the up moments for making us one of the happiest. And this is our life here in Rome, Italy.